We have already proved different relations of a triangle with respect to sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Now here we have to discuss about the relation between angles and complement of the angles. So we have to discuss these things once again. A triangle ABC is there. You may observe obviously this one is triangle ABC, and on the basis of triangle ABC we have to set up relation of angle to complement of angle. Suppose this angle is theta, this one is 90 degree, so ultimately this will be 90 minus theta. Why is it so? Because alone this one is 90 degree and total sum of triangle is 180 degree. It means these two angles are complementary angles, because if subtract 180 from 90, so what will be there? 90, it means sum of angle A and angle C is 90. If this one is theta, so this will be 90 minus theta. Now we have to establish the relation between theta and 90 minus theta with respect to sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So one by one we have to examine. Now you may observe here, this one is sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta means this one is taken as base, so this will be perpendicular and this will be hypo, because 90 minus theta, the segment connecting 90 minus theta is base and hypo, and this one is perpendicular. You may observe here. So sine 90 minus theta, and sine is the relation between perpendicular and hypo. Perpendicular means AB and hypo is AC. It means it is the relation of perpendicular to hypo. So sine 90 minus theta equals AB upon AC. This is behaved as equation number 1. Now see, we have to consider by taking this one as this AB as which one? Base, and BC as perpendicular, because theta is situated on perpendicular. So this, for this theta, this is base and this is perpendicular. In the same way, for this angle, this one is perpendicular and this one is base. Similarly, for this angle, this one is base and this one is perpendicular. Hypo will be the same. So cos theta, we have to find out value of cos theta. Cos theta with respect to this theta, how can we calculate this one? Cos is the relation of base to hypo. This one is base for this theta and AC is hypo. It means cos theta equals AB upon AC. You will mark here. Now see, sine 90 minus theta equals AB upon AC. Cos theta is also equal to AB upon AC. This one is equation number 1. This one is equation number 2. Now we have already studied things which are equal to the same thing are equal. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to AB upon AC. Cos theta is also equal to AB upon AC. So which one is common here? AB upon AC is common. So sine 90 minus theta equals cos of theta. Now we have to compare equation number 1. So things which are equal to the same thing. What is same thing? AB upon AC. The things which are equal to the same thing are equal. Euclid geometry you will study this one. This is said if things are equal to the same thing, so these things are also equal. So comparing 1 and 2, we have sine 90 minus theta equals cos of theta. Again we have to consider about cos 90 minus theta. See, 90 minus theta is here. Now cos 90 minus theta, for this theta, this one is base, this one is perpendicular and this one is hypo. So cos 90 minus theta is the relation of base to hypo. What is base here? BC. And what is hypo here? AC. So this one is BC upon AC. So cos 90 minus theta equals BC upon AC. Similarly, we have to find out sine of theta. For this theta, this one is base and this one is perpendicular and this one is hypo. So sine theta is also equal to, sine theta means perpendicular upon hypo, perpendicular. For this theta, this one is perpendicular and perpendicular is BC upon AC. So sine theta equals BC upon AC. This one is equation number 4. Now compare equation number 3 and equation number 4. Cos 90 minus theta equals BC upon AC. Sin theta is also equal to BC upon AC. After comparing third and fourth, cos 90 minus theta equals sin of theta, because cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta and both are equal to BC upon AC. So after comparing, we have cos 90 minus theta equals sin theta. In this way, we have proved sin 90 minus theta equals cos theta. It is proved here. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta equals sin of theta. Other relation can also be established, and we have to examine other relationship also. Now let us see what relation between tan 90 minus theta and cot theta is there. We have to set up relationship. So tan 90 minus theta equals, now see, this one is 90 minus theta with this angle, this one is perpendicular and this one is base and this one is hypo. So tan is the relation of perpendicular to base. What is perpendicular here? For this angle, so this one is AB and which one is base? BC is base. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to AB upon BC. Now we have to consider cot of theta. Cot of theta means this angle is taken. For this angle, this one is perpendicular, this one is base and this one is hypo. So this cot of theta is equal to AB upon BC. Cot theta is the relation of ratio of base and perpendicular. So this one is base for this angle and this one is perpendicular for this angle. So cot of theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Base is AB and perpendicular is BC. Now this one is equation number 5. This one is equation number 6. Now we have to compare equation number 5 and 6. So what will be there? Tan 90 minus theta equals AB upon BC. Cot theta is also equal to the same quantity AB upon BC. So things which are equal to the same thing are equal, means tan 90 minus theta equals cot of theta. By comparing 5th and 6th, we have the result 5th and 6th implies, means after comparing equation number 5th and 6th, what will be obtained here? We have tan 90 minus theta equals cot of theta. Again, we have to establish relation of cot 90 minus theta and tan of theta. So cot 90 minus theta means we are talking about this angle C. So for this angle C, BC is base, AB is perpendicular and AC is hypo. So cot 90 minus theta is the relation of BC. BC means base and AB equals perpendicular. Cot is the ratio of base to perpendicular. So base is BC and perpendicular is AB. So cot 90 minus theta means cot of this theta, this angle equals BC upon AB. Now this one is equation number 7. Now tan of theta, this angle is taken. So for this angle, AB is base, BC is perpendicular and AC is hypo. So tan of theta equals, tan of theta means for this theta, this one is perpendicular and this one is base. So for this theta, tan of theta, base perpendicular will be base, perpendicular is BC, and what is base here? AB is base. So tan of theta is BC upon AB. Again compare, cot 90 minus theta equals BC upon AB. This one is equation number 7. Tan theta equals the same quantity BC upon AB. This one is equation number 8. Now what to do? We have to compare equation number 7 and equation number 8. After comparing, what will be there? Things which are equal to the same thing are equal. So which things are there? Cot 90 minus theta is BC upon AB, and tan theta is also equal to BC upon AB. So what is same thing? BC upon AB is common. So that will be removed, and what is there? What relation will be there? Cot 90 minus theta equals tan of theta. So here we have proved that cot 90 minus theta equals tan of theta. Now we have to establish relation between sec 90 minus theta and cosec theta. Sec 90 minus theta means we are talking about this angle, and for this angle this one is perpendicular, this one is base, and this one is hypo. So sec 90 minus theta and sec is the relation of hypo to BC, means perpendicular to base, hypo to base. Hypo to base, just sec theta. Hypo is AC, and base for this angle is BC. So this will be AC upon BC. Now this one is equation number 9. Now consider about cosec theta. Cosec theta means this angle is considered. For this angle, this one is perpendicular, this one is base, and this one is hypo. So sec 90 minus theta equals cosec theta, we have to prove here. So sec 90 minus theta equals AC upon BC, and cosec theta equals also AC upon BC. It means what? Things which are equal to the same thing are equal. By comparing equation number 9 and equation number 10, we have the result. Common thing is AC upon BC, AC upon BC, that will be cancelled. So sec 90 minus theta equals cosec of theta. Now we have established the relation sec 90 minus theta equals cosec of theta. Again we have to establish what relation between cosec 90 minus theta and sec theta is there. So cosec 90 minus theta, and we consider here 90 minus theta means we are talking about angle C. So for this C, this one BC is base, AB equals perpendicular, and AC is hypo. So cosec 90 minus theta equals the relation of AC to AB. AC to AB means hypo to perpendicular. Cosec is the relation of hypo to perpendicular. So cosec 90 minus theta equals AC upon AB. Again we have to take this angle theta. Now sec of theta equals, for this theta, this one is perpendicular, this one is base, and this one is hypo. So this sec theta is also equal to AC upon AB, means hypo to base. Sec theta is the ratio of hypo to base. So hypo to base, hypo is AC and base is AB. So sec theta is also equal to AC upon AB. Now compare equation number 10 and equation number 11. So what will be there? Something is common. AC upon AB is common, so that will be removed from there. So cosec 90 minus theta equals sec of theta. In this way, we have proved sin 90 minus theta equals cos of theta. Again we have proved cos 90 minus theta equals sin of theta. Next one is tan 90 minus theta equals cot of theta. Further it is cot 90 minus theta equals tan theta. Next one is sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. And the last one is cosec theta 90 minus theta equals sec of theta. This is the relation between angle and complementary angles with respect to sine, cos, tan, cot, and sec and cosec. We have established these relations, and these are very helpful in solving questions of the exercises where complementary angles are given there. We have established the relation between the angle and complement of the angle. By this way, we have established these things, and these things are used as identity. These things means this relationship which we have proved here. Which one? Sin 90 minus theta equals cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equals sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta equals cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta equals tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta equals cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta equals sec theta. All these are used as identity or formula while solving questions related to trigonometrical ratios and verification. Sometimes we have to prove some of the questions, and these are very helpful in solving such type of questions. I hope you understand and you can apply this all these in solving the questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.